Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So we coming back today with a very special video. And yo, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy, you know, subscribe to the channel, you feel me? But yo, we are back today with another shoe unboxing and review. But today's review is 2 weeks early, man. Today is the 19th, is it? Yeah, like a week and a half early, but it's still it's early nonetheless. I'm bringing you guys a little unboxing review on this shoe, you know, an early look, and might even give you guys an on feet. So without further ado, y'all already know by the title. Let's hop into the review, man. Jordan 1 Mochas, man. Jordan 1 Mochas. If y'all don't believe me, there you go, man. There you go. Read that. Jordan 1 Retro High OG Sale Black Dark Mocha Black size 9, baby. Retail is $170. So this shoe, before we hop into it, you know, I always like to do a little background on the shoe. Everybody has been asking me, yo, Andy, can you get me this shoe? I'm a size this and that, and this has been happening since like September, and this shoe don't come out until October 31st. And everybody's like, yo, Andy, can you get me this shoe? That's because they don't have, you know, that shoe in the back. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's LV. I don't got that, you feel me? That's why they gotta settle for this. But yeah, man, but it's overall, there's pre-release pictures, everything. Like, this shoe look fire. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can understand why everybody wants the shoe. Pretty fire. Like, we haven't had a brown Jordan 1 besides, but you know, this is the general release one. They call it a poor man's Travis Scott, and overall it's a very clean shoe from the looks. I would probably cop a pair to rock myself if I didn't have the Travis Scotts. I might still cop a pair because it's super clean. And yeah, man, I can understand why everybody wants it, and I'm gonna try my best to get all of you guys the shoes when release day comes. If I can't, I apologize. The shoe, everybody wants it, so oh no, man, I gotta pay that price. You know, you might have to go to StockX, you might have to go to GOAT and pay that, because your boy can only do so much. Even though we got, like, you feel me? How many pairs we got? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. 4. Oh man. Oh man. 5. Oh man. Oh, y'all thought this was just any other Jordan 1, huh? Y'all wanna read the? Y'all wanna read that? Come on, man. Your boy's not playing. So yeah, man, let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, it is a regular Jordan 1 box. The newer Jordan 1s, they have this sticker. It's like more of a strip instead of the square rectangular ones that they had before. But let's get into the unboxing, man. Woo! First time looking at this shoe. Moment of truth. Woo! Okay. This shoe right here, this is a clean shoe, man. This shoe right here is very clean. Just take a look, man. Just take a second and take a look. You know what? We're gonna cut to a B-roll so you guys can have a better look. Let's get to the B-roll. Alright, coming back from the B-roll, you guys already saw the details, man. The suede on the back of the brown. So the colorway, color blocking, let's get into it. If you guys know Jordans, you guys know the Jordan black toe colorway. This one follows that color blocking, has the white toe box, followed by the black going up, and then the mocha on the back instead of red. The main difference is on the black toes, this part is black, I believe, and on the mochas, they did it white. But it's still very clean. That's just a little like difference. Still very clean though, because the lining is black, and then the outsole is black. Black Nike swoosh, white panel on the inside, the middle, and yeah, man, They did the mocha brown as a suede kind of. The suede is not. It's all right. It's not as crazy as the Travis Scott's, but I'm too lazy. That thing is like back there. I should grab and do a comparison, but yeah, whatever. White tongue followed by a black on the Nike Air with Nike Air in like a creamish thing. It's like the mocha colorway. Same thing with the extra laces. It's not like white. It's a little bit of like off-white. It's like the cream color. You know how mocha, cappuccinos, I mean, I guess. But yeah, man, very nice quality. Let's do a smell. Smells like a Jordan 1, man. If you guys know what Jordan 1 smell like, that's what it smells like. And yeah, as you can see, the quality is actually, it's not crazy tumble leather, but the leather is still good nonetheless. It's not like the 2013 Shadows and Royals leather where that thing was kind of plasticky, and those were like indestructible. Like you can wear those anywhere, they won't break. But the suede, like I said, it's the quality on the suede is pretty good, but it's not like the Travis Scott's. And then the leather is pretty good as well. Big shout out to my man EC Layup on the assist. You guys go find his IG EC_layup. He had these early, gave me the pairs to do a review on, and we're shipping them out to Florida as like a bulk deal to a buyer. Comes with the extra laces as you guys show you. The default laces are black, and yeah, man. Overall, Jordan 1. Most anticipated Jordan 1 of this year, I believe. Like, this might be the hottest Jordan 1 that came out this year. And this year had some nice things, man. It had the smoke grays, the court purples. But I think this one beats them all. Not going to lie to you. Sizing on Jordan 1s. Go true to size. Go down half a size if you really want to. But go true to size on Jordan 1. So, like I said, if you wear that 9, get a 9, man. Get that 9. Don't try to be cute. Just get your size, man. If you can't, try to go half size down, you still be valid. All right, you guys are here for. All right, so a lot of you guys are here for the resale predictions of this shoe. So this shoe hasn't come out yet. Retail is $170 in New York. Retail $170 plus tax comes out to like $185, and this shoe is doing about $400 right now on StockX and Go pre-release. Personally, I believe that this shoe will probably settle around like 300-ish. One shoe that it will follow the path of is probably the Royal Toes, because if you guys remember, Royal Toe release, everybody wanted that shoe as well. And it's kind of like the same for this one, if not more. Like, a lot of people are hitting me up for these, and a lot of people hit me up for Royal Toes, but I feel like more people wanted this one. So yeah, man, it's gonna follow like Royal Toe. It should be around like 3 something, and girls gonna love this shoe. So get the GS pairs, those gonna go for bag as well. So yeah, man, I would suggest you guys, cop them, try to sell them. If not, hold them. But I don't really like holding shoes that it's gonna be a lot of. There's gonna be a lot of these on the market, and a lot of people are gonna be holding them. So try to get them out and then buy them back. There ain't nothing wrong with that. If you could sell it for like 300, then buy it back later for 250. Why not? You know what I'm saying? You're just making an extra $50. But whatever, is up to y'all. And yeah, man, I don't know if I want to bring you guys on feet. Alright, so coming back, let's wrap things up with my final opinion of the shoe. Overall, it is a very, very clean shoe. Here is both pairs, as you guys can see. Very clean Jordan 1. I wouldn't mind wearing these. I don't even wear my Travises like that, so I'll probably rock these if I end up like keeping them pair for myself over the Travises, because Travises, they very loud. You know what I'm saying? Like, you rock those, everybody gonna be like, yo, you got Travises on. These, you could get away with a little bit more. So yeah, man, that's the end of this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and yeah, let me know. Oh, and yeah, man, let me know how you guys feel about this shoe, man. And how many pairs do you guys plan on picking up? 1 to sit, 1 to rock, 1 to stock? I don't know, man. And that's the end of this video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. Your boy's out.